Hi guys, welcome. We are on Hyprland, and what's more, yesterday I've made a video that's ZSH not possible on Hyprland, and here you go. I had some luck today and I find it out, right? After weeks of looking into the matter and from time to time giving up, say another day. This is typical ISO builder stuff, right? If you want to make your own distro, the only thing you're always doing, it seems anyway, is solving issues, right? Why is this not working? So I was in luck this morning. So you see we're on ZSH. There were some choices to be made, of course. So what I've done is, let's go for Hyprland first. The application itself is coming from the AUR, no longer, right? That's the first thing. I had to decide, can we make this bigger? No. There you go. How did I do that? So that's Control Shift and a plus. Okay. So ArcoLinux Hyprland is the configuration, which includes the user share Wayland X session. So that's how everything starts with that file. That was wrong from the Hyprland from the AOR. So okay, I figured out, some luck, right? Searching, reading. I figured out that how is Hyprland starting? No problem with Sway, ZSH, no problem at all. But with Hyprland, yes. Okay, why? All the things are the same, and this has been troubling me for weeks, I think already. So I started again from how does it start? How do we launch Hyprland? So in Hyprland from AOR, they have a desktop file, and it's that desktop file that I've got rid of. Right? It's gone. So to stay in control, we have our own hyprland-dev. So if you look at the version, it is exactly the same thing, except, right, the user share Wayland's X session. It's ours, that file, and that launches everything the proper way. So we can have ZSH. So the only thing was here, how do we get Hyprland to accept ZSH, to log in SSDM and have ZSH? So we created our own Hyprland application. This one, hyprland-dev. That's one. And if you update, you'll see, do you want to replace Hyprland with hyprland-dev? Yes, you say, right? It's exactly the same, minus one file. And the one file in the user share Wayland sessions is gonna come from here. No, Eric, from here. ArcoLinux Hyprland Git. These are all the variables it needs to launch, right? This contains the user share Wayland X sessions, and that one is telling what it should do. Let's see. This I'm gonna explain later. This one. This is our way of launching Hyprland. Go to user bin exec-hyprland. That leads me to the next point. It used to be Control C. Nope. Yes, please. It used to be inside Hyprland, config hyper. So hyper folder, not hyperland folder. A bit strange. Don't like it, but okay, we have to live with that. It used to have here exec-hyprland. Delete it. It's not used. Exec-hyprland that's in here is not used. It's gone. Secondly, these hyperlands, so LL, I looked at this and I saw by chance, right? I saw, hey, look, they are executable. Why are they executable? Can they be without executable? And what do I mean by that? So schmot. Let's do this again. How it used to be. Plus. Okay. So schmot mod plus x means executable. Make everything with asterisk means a global, can be anything, right? And then .conf, everything that has a .conf, make it executable. That's how it was. So if you see something green, I say, okay, so I need to do -x. Of course, you do a scale and everything is okay. You know that, right? just going over the steps. That's another thing I've done, making them not executable and nothing happens, nothing changes. It's a configuration. Doesn't need to be executable, it seems. So exec is gone here, exec-hyprland is gone, less, well, not executable, so the X is gone here. Take a look up here and take a look down here. So read is 4, write is 2, 1 executable, together 7, and this one 4 and 4. Okay. Did I say 7? So 3 and R and W is 4, and 2 of course is 6 here, and 7 up here. Anything else? No, I don't think so. So those were the changes I've done. You can actually now go to bash, as usual, right? To bash, or to fish, or to ZSH, and when you log out and log back in, you'll see that everything is going to work for hyprland, even ZSH. But the changes are that we've moved from the default hyprland application to our own hyprland-dev, and that we omit a file user share Wayland's exceptions and put that in our other file, ArcoLinux hyprland conf. It's gonna, well, the configuration of it, and that's it, right? Okay, enjoy hyprland. Cheers.